Today's focus, analysis of DATASONIC's three-stage rocket model, from core products to cutting-edge technology, fully accelerating global business expansion. Welcome to KLSE AI, your tailor-made strategist for Malaysian stocks. The following share is for learning and reference purposes only and is not any buying or selling advice. Please assess your own financial situation and risk preference before investing. Today, let's use the three-stage rocket model to analyze DATASONIC's business. The three-stage rocket model is a business analysis tool used to describe a company with an expansion through three phases. First stage, ignition. Core products and services. At the first stage, DATASONIC provides core products and services, including MyCAD original cards, chips, consumables, and personalization systems to the National Registration Department of Malaysia. Additionally, it offers various solutions to the Malaysian Immigration Department, including passport systems, passport chips, passport booklets, facial live capture image systems, and provides foreign worker cards, IKD, which are identity cards designed specifically for foreigners working in Malaysia, enhancing identity verification and security. These are core services closely related to national border management and citizen verification. These programs and projects demonstrate DATASONIC's core capabilities and expertise in providing high security and critical national infrastructure support. Through these services, the company not only solidifies its leadership position in the Malaysian market, but also lays the foundation for further business expansion and technological innovation. Second stage, propulsion. Expansion and diversification. In the wave of active expansion and innovation, DATASONIC showcases an extraordinary combination of strategic vision and execution. From offering customized credit and debit card services, marking its successful expansion from identification to financial services, to developing border control solutions that enhance national security efficiency using cutting-edge technology, DATASONIC continues to innovate. Furthermore, the company also demonstrates product line diversification by designing multifunctional terminals and kiosks for public and commercial use, offering efficient solutions. Internationally, DATASONIC collaborates with countries such as the Republic of Guinea on secure document printing and digital land management, further expanding its global business scope. At the same time, by partnering with strategic partners like Metadoors World, DATASONIC is exploring cutting-edge technologies in education and healthcare based on the metaverse. These initiatives not only strengthen DATASONIC's market competitiveness, but also deepen its business depth and breadth across multiple industries, laying a solid foundation for the company's future growth and innovation. Third stage, innovation and forward-looking technology. In the third stage of innovation and forward-looking technology, DATASONIC greatly enhances the intelligence of its identity verification systems and security solutions by investing in artificial intelligence, AI, and data analytics. These technologies not only improve the efficiency of customer service, but also optimize the company's internal operations. Simultaneously, DATASONIC delves into fintech and digital payments, responding to rapid changes in the financial market by developing innovative payment solutions. Additionally, the company continues to increase investments in technology R&D and innovation, from in-depth development of biometric technologies to integrating the latest technologies to serve its core markets. DATASONIC is consolidating its position as an industry leader. The company also collaborates with international partners, such as the Republic of Guinea, to develop applications for new technologies and provide digital solutions, strengthening its influence in the international market. Through this three-stage rocket model, we can see that DATASONIC is currently expanding its service range and market coverage, including partnering with international partners like South Korea's KTT to bid for Malaysia's public procurement system project. This indicates that the company is striving to expand from its core identity verification and security solution business to a broader market and services. Capital game analysis. First, let's take a look at the market capital game analysis for April 29, 2024. It is divided into 6 categories: retail investors, large retail investors, super retail investors, institutions, large institutions, and super institutions. Retail investors had slightly more buy orders at 41, large retail investors had more sell orders at 170, Super retail investors had slightly more sell orders at 42, while institutions had slightly more buy orders at 2, large institutions at 28, and super institutions at 46. This analysis indicates that institutions, large institutions, and super institutions showed more buying activity, typically interpreted as a positive indicator of market confidence. The purchasing behavior of these investors is often based on in-depth market analysis and a positive outlook on the future market prospects, which could stabilize or even drive the market. The higher selling activity from large and super retail investors may indicate that these smaller market participants have a cautious or pessimistic view of current market conditions. This selling could be based on concerns about short-term market volatility or reactions to future uncertainties. This analysis is based on yesterday's trading volume, prices, and total differences in orders, so the results will vary each day. If you don't want to miss exclusive capital game analysis, please subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell. Thank you for your support. If you want to receive capital game analysis for specific sectors or companies, you can find my WhatsApp link in the description below. Fundamental analysis. From the fundamental analysis of DATASONIC, its valuation risk is relatively low in the overall market, its cash flow risk is medium, and its debt risk is relatively low. According to the analysis of its latest quarterly report, its growth opportunity is 20%, and based on DATASONIC's dividend analysis over the past 3 years, its dividend opportunity is 60%. What is valuation risk? Higher valuation risk means that the stock price is more expensive, indicating that DATASONIC's valuation in the entire Malaysian stock market is relatively low. One reference for valuation risk here is the dividend yield. Simply put, this is the ratio of the total dividends paid by the company each year to its current stock price, typically used to measure the cash return investors can receive from holding the stock. For example, DATASONIC distributed a total of 0.02 per share last year, and dividing this by the current stock price of 0.455 gives a dividend yield of about 4.4%, which is slightly higher than the current rate for fixed deposits. Why is valuation risk so important? Because it helps you avoid buying at high prices, just like opting to buy products at full price when discounts are available is clearly not a wise consumer behavior. The same applies to stocks. An overvalued purchase price directly reduces your future profit potential and could even lead to losses, as the market will eventually correct these overvaluations. Technical analysis. From the technical analysis of DATASONIC, its manipulation risk in the overall market is relatively low, while its stock price risk is moderate and its volatility risk is also relatively low. Looking at its capital game analysis over the past year, retail investors had more buy orders totaling 1952 with an average buy price of 0.453. Large retail investors had slightly more sell orders, totaling 1 with an average sell price of 0.45. Super retail investors had more sell orders totaling 1,073 with an average sell price of 0.451. Institutions had more sell orders totaling 3,093 with an average sell price of 0.455. Large institutions had more buy orders totaling 433 with an average buy price of 0.46. Super institutions had more buy orders totaling 422 with an average buy price of 0.466. What is manipulation risk? Higher manipulation risk indicates a greater likelihood that the company's stock price is controlled by market makers, meaning that currently, DATASONIC has a relatively low level of manipulation in the entire Malaysian stock market. One reference for manipulation risk here is the total transaction volume, which simply reflects how much money the company's stock traded over the past year, indicating the public market's confidence level in the company. Why is manipulation risk so important? Because it directly addresses investors' biggest concern: unfair trading rules. The healthy operation of the stock market depends on a fair and transparent trading environment. When the market is manipulated, this fairness is compromised, making it difficult for ordinary investors to compete fairly in a market controlled by a few. This unfair environment can lead to a decline in investor confidence, making them feel disadvantaged. In summary, I would rate DATASONIC's business prospects positively at 40%, accelerated by digital transformation and the growth of financial technology. The only concern is an over-reliance on government projects. If DATASONIC can expand more business to the private commercial sector, it will have better business prospects. For fundamental analysis, I would assign a risk of 3/13 and an opportunity of 5/7. As for technical analysis, I would give a risk of 4/13 and an opportunity of 4/7. If you do not understand your risk tolerance and investment goals, you can scan my WhatsApp QR code to contact me. Everyone is welcome to leave your opinions below and discuss together.